Welcome to our channel. In this video we will see 5 natural remedies to have beautiful nails. If it's the first time you view our videos, please subscribe and press the bell icon. For more informations, please click the links in the description. No need to have varnished nails to have beautiful natural nails. In addition, it can damage them or hide problems to be treated. Here are 5 natural remedies to make your nails more beautiful and stronger, naturally. 1. Hydrate your nails. After having properly cleaned them, moisturize your nails with a natural homemade cream. 1 hazelnut of organic shea butter. 1 hazelnut of organic coconut oil. Mix these 2 natural ingredients and apply the cream obtained on your nails and fingers by making it penetrate. Coconut oil and shea butter contain essential fatty acids. Shea butter is rich in oleic acid, ideal for nourishing the skin, and coconut oil is rich in lauric acid, effective in regenerating the skin. 2. Heal your nails. As soon as you notice dirt under your nails, clean them with a nail brush dipped in baking soda, then rinse with water. The antibacterial properties of baking soda will help keep them clean longer. 3. Make your nails shine. To make your nails shine, here is an unstoppable natural tip: dip or rub your nails in with white vinegar. Just like for the hair, it will give them a stunning shine. 4. White nails. Against dull, stained or yellowed nails, try one of these 2 natural recipes. Polish your nails on a lemon wedge, or bathe them once a week in a mixture of lukewarm and oxygenated water for 10 minutes. After several weeks, you will notice a clear difference before/after. 5. Make your nails more resistant. Like the hands and hair, the nails are attacked daily: soap, water, wind, cold, hot, etc. Here are 2 natural remedies to strengthen your nails and make them more beautiful. Massage them with organic olive oil and warm. This will strengthen them, soften unwanted cuticles after showering. Once softened by water, cuticles are easier to repel. Thank you for watching. You can watch more videos by clicking the links in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.